Here's how to integrate your Hostinger email with Gmail. It's quite easy and simple to do, but make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. First, log into your Hostinger cPanel and select the Emails tab. Click on the Manager button associated with your website. Note that the steps remain similar even if your email is controlled by Hostinger itself, as in my hosting plan where emails are powered by Titan. In the Email Accounts section, we have to integrate this email with Gmail. Configuration information about my email is accessible here, and Gmail integration is included. This information is important for the next steps. Open your Gmail account. Click on Settings. Then explore all settings. Within the Forwarding POP and IMAP section, enable IMAP and save changes. Return to Settings once more. Navigate to Accounts and Import. Locate Check Emails from Other Accounts and click on it. A new window will appear. Input your website email address and click Next. Select POP3 and proceed. For the username, provide your business email. Enter the password you've set for your email. Access the POP section in cPanel and copy the incoming server text into the box. Select the port and check or uncheck other options according to your preferences. Click Add Account to set up email receiving. To utilize the same email for sending, select Yes and proceed. Enter a name that will be displayed when you send emails. Just as before, set up the SMTP server and port, input your email for the username, and use your email password. Employ the recommended settings and double-check all configurations. Click Add Account again. Next, the email needs verification via a code. Head back to cPanel, log into your website's email webmail portal, and access the email containing the verification code. Copy and paste this code, then click Verify. The process is complete. Return to Gmail settings. You'll see our email is now set for both sending and checking emails from your Hostinger email account. There you have it. You have successfully integrated your Hostinger email with Gmail.